Today we're diving into some truly fascinating facts about the human body that you probably didn't know. Learn about the surprising reasons behind blushing, body temperature, and even why we have two kidneys. Whether you're a curious mind or a trivia enthusiast, this video is packed with fun and mind-blowing insights about the human body. Stick around till the end because you won't want to miss a single one of these intriguing insights. Tell me why we feel ticklish. Have you ever wondered why we can't tickle ourselves? It all comes down to our brains being able to predict sensations that we create ourselves. When we try to tickle ourselves, our brain knows exactly what to expect, so the feeling isn't as intense, but when someone else tickles us, it's a surprise. This unexpected touch triggers a cascade of signals in our nervous system, making us laugh or squirm. This ticklish response might seem silly, but it actually serves an important purpose. It helps us develop social bonds and learn about our own bodies. So, the next time you're tickling or being tickled, remember that it's not just a silly game. It's a fascinating example of how our brains and bodies work together to create unique and complex experiences. Tell me why our body temperature stays constant. Have you ever wondered how our bodies stay at a constant temperature even when it's freezing cold or blazing hot outside? It's like having an internal thermostat that keeps everything running smoothly. This incredible feat of engineering is all thanks to a tiny part of our brain called the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus acts like a control center, constantly monitoring our internal temperature and making adjustments as needed. If our body temperature starts to rise, the hypothalamus signals our sweat glands to release sweat, which evaporates and cools us down. On the flip side, if our body temperature drops, the hypothalamus triggers mechanisms to warm us up. It signals our muscles to shiver, which generates heat through rapid contractions. This intricate system of temperature regulation is crucial for our survival. So the next time you reach for a sweater or crank up the AC, remember the amazing work your hypothalamus is doing behind the scenes to keep you comfortable. Tell me why some people have allergies. Allergies! They make millions of people miserable every year, but why do some of us experience these annoying reactions while others don't? It all comes down to our immune system, the body's incredible defense force that protects us from harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. But sometimes our immune system can be a bit overzealous, mistaking harmless substances like pollen, dust mites, or certain foods as dangerous threats. That's when allergies strike. Imagine your immune system as a highly trained guard dog. The immune system encounters a harmless substance like pollen and goes into overdrive, releasing a chemical called histamine. Histamine is like the alarm system of your body. When it's released, it triggers a chain reaction that causes all those classic allergy symptoms: sneezing, runny nose, itchy eyes, and more. So the next time you find yourself reaching for the tissues or popping an antihistamine, remember that it's all thanks to your vigilant, albeit sometimes overreactive, immune system. Tell me why we blush when embarrassed. We've all been there. You trip and fall in front of everyone, you accidentally call your teacher mum, or someone pays you a compliment and you feel your cheeks turning crimson. Blushing. It's an involuntary reaction that can make us feel exposed and embarrassed, but have you ever wondered why it happens? Blushing is a fascinating physiological response triggered by a complex interplay of emotions and neurotransmitters. When we experience a situation that triggers embarrassment, shyness, or self-consciousness, our bodies release a surge of adrenaline. Adrenaline causes the blood vessels in our face to widen, increasing blood flow to the surface of our skin. Some scientists believe that blushing serves a social function, signaling to others that we are aware of our social faux pas or feeling embarrassed. So the next time you feel your cheeks burning with a blush, remember that it's a perfectly normal and even endearing physiological response. Tell me why our bones are so strong. Our bones are truly remarkable structures. They provide support for our bodies, protect our vital organs, and allow us to move with incredible strength and agility. But have you ever stopped to think about what makes bones so strong? It's a fascinating combination of design and materials that rivals even the most advanced engineering feats. At the core of bone strength is a unique material called bone matrix. This matrix is composed of two main components: collagen and minerals. Collagen is a tough, fibrous protein that provides bones with flexibility and tensile strength, the ability to resist being pulled apart. The bone matrix is also packed with minerals, primarily calcium and phosphorus. These minerals give bones their hardness and compressive strength, the ability to withstand being squeezed or compressed. So the next time you marvel at the athleticism of a basketball player or the grace of a dancer, remember the amazing engineering of their bones. It's a testament to the incredible power of nature's design. Tell me why we see colors. We live in a world awash in color, from the vibrant hues of a rainbow to the subtle shades of a sunset. But how do we perceive these colors? Thanks to photoreceptor cells called cones. Cones in our retina absorb different wavelengths of light. We have 3 types of cones: red, green, and blue. They work together to create our color perception. So next time you admire a sunset or painting, appreciate the work of your cones. Tell me why we have 2 kidneys. Our kidneys are the unsung heroes of our internal organs, working tirelessly behind the scenes to keep our bodies clean and functioning properly. But why do we have 2 of these bean-shaped organs? It might seem like one would be enough, but having 2 kidneys is crucial for our health and well-being. Think of your kidneys like a highly efficient filtration system for your blood. Every day your kidneys filter about 200 quarts of blood, removing waste products, excess fluids and toxins. Having 2 kidneys provides us with an important safety net redundancy. If one kidney is damaged or diseased, the other kidney can often compensate and take over the workload. So, the next time you take a sip of water or enjoy a healthy meal, remember the incredible work your 2 kidneys are doing to keep you healthy. They're a testament to the body's remarkable ability to adapt and thrive, even with multiple systems working together in perfect harmony. Tell me why our blood clots when we're injured. We might not like the sight of a cut or scrape, but our bodies have an amazing ability to heal themselves. One of the most important processes in wound healing is blood clotting, a complex cascade of events that prevents excessive bleeding and protects us from potentially dangerous infections. Platelets are tiny, disc-shaped cells that circulate in our blood. They're like the construction workers of our blood, always on the lookout for damage to repair. When a blood vessel is injured, platelets rush to the scene and stick to the edges of the wound, forming a temporary plug. Clotting factors are proteins in our blood that work together in a complex chain reaction to strengthen the platelet plug. So, the next time you get a cut, remember the incredible work of your platelets and clotting factors. They're the body's emergency repair crew, always on call to patch us up and keep us healthy. Tell me why we feel dizzy when we spin. We've all spun around until the world became a dizzying blur, collapsing in giggles. But why does spinning make us dizzy? It's due to our inner ear's balance system. The semicircular canals detect rotational movement. Spinning fluid in these canals sends mixed signals to the brain. This makes us feel dizzy and disoriented. So enjoy the ride. It's a testament to our amazing sensory systems. Tell me why scars form on our skin. Our skin is an incredible organ. It's the largest organ in our body, acting as a protective barrier against the outside world. When we experience a cut, burn, or other injury that penetrates the deeper layers of our skin, our bodies kick into repair mode, often leaving behind a scar as a reminder of the healing process. Fibroblasts are like the body's construction workers. They produce a protein called collagen, which acts like a scaffolding, providing structure and support to the new tissue. As the wound heals, fibroblasts continue to produce collagen, eventually forming a scar. So the next time you look at a scar on your body, remember that it's not just a mark on your skin. It's a testament to your body's incredible ability to heal and regenerate. Each scar tells a story of resilience, a reminder of our body's remarkable capacity to repair and rebuild itself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these fascinating facts about the human body, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more amazing content. Leave a comment below with which fact surprised you the most. See you next time.